Recently, the CDC updated their guidelines on how to disinfect frequently touched surfaces at home in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Most common EPA-registered disinfectants that you can get at the grocery store will work just fine, but if you need to, you can make your own using household bleach. First, make sure you wear gloves and are in a well-ventilated area whenever you work with bleach. Also, don't mix bleach with ammonia or any other cleaner. Fill up a container with a quart of water, or 950 ml. Then add 4 teaspoons of bleach and mix. Alternatively, if you need more, you can mix a gallon of water, or 3.75 liters, with 5 tablespoons or a third of a cup of bleach. If you don't want to use bleach or you don't have bleach, you can use any solution that has at least 70% alcohol. And that's it. Now, clean any frequently touched surfaces such as tables, doorknobs, light switches, countertops, handles, desks, phones, keyboards, toilets, faucets, and sinks. Get cleaning.